Imagine you've just met a beautiful Russian woman or man. You feel this spark, you feel this fire starting inside you. You want to impress this person, you want to tell something sweet and nice and cute, but you miss the opportunity because you don't know how to compliment in Russian. But don't worry, I'm here to fix that. And that's why today we're going to learn 10 ways to say you're beautiful in Russian. But before to start, and if you want to impress even more, you can grab my free Russian vocabulary guide, link in the description. So let's begin with the most classical and elegant phrase. Ты красивый for men or ты красивая for women. Master the pronunciation with me. Ты красивая. Ты красивый. See how we can use that in a sentence. Ты сегодня особенно красивая. While this phrase is timeless and elegant, there are plenty of other ways to express admiration. So let's dive into some poetic expressions next. If you're looking to reveal your inner Pushkin or Pasternak, poetic compliments add a touch of romance and depth, perfect for special moments, or impressing someone with your linguistic skills. Here are 3 beautiful examples. Ты как цветок. You're like a flower. Why this compliment works? Flowers symbolize beauty, grace, and delicacy in many cultures, including Russian. This comparison is both classic and heartfelt. Another one is Твои глаза – два озера. Your eyes are 2 lakes. Eyes are often described as windows to the soul, and comparing them to serene lakes adds an element of mystery and allure. You can use it in a flirty way, like Твои глаза, как два озера, в которых я могу утонуть. Your eyes are like 2 lakes where I could drown. Another one is Ты светишься изнутри. You're shining from the inside. This phrase emphasizes inner beauty, showing that you appreciate not just someone's appearance, but their character too. Why use poetic compliments? They stand out because they require thoughtfulness and creativity. They show that you've put effort into crafting something meaningful, which can leave lasting impression. Plus, who doesn't love being compared to a flower or a tranquil lake? Though, if you want something simpler, then use casual flirty compliments. For example, ты супер, you're super. Simple, enthusiastic, and universally appreciated. This phrase is great for expressing admiration without sounding too serious. Another one is ты безумно хорош or ты безумно хороша. You're crazy good. Хорош works for men and хороша works for women. The word безумно, meaning incredibly or madly, this adds an extra layer of intensity, making this phrase feel a bit deeper. Another one is у тебя есть что-то особенное. You have something special. Vague yet intriguing. You can say, for example, у тебя есть что-то особенное. Может быть, это твоя улыбка? There is something special about you. Maybe it's your smile. Another one is я бы смотрел or смотрела на тебя целый день. I would look at you for a whole day. Use смотрел if you're a man and смотрела if you're a girl. This is a playful and slightly exaggerated, but this phrase conveys admiration in a fun way. Why use casual flirty phrases? These expressions strike the perfect balance between charm and playfulness. They're ideal for light-hearted conversations, flirting, or simply brightening someone's day. Just remember to keep the tone friendly and avoid coming across as insincere. Let's also see two slang variants of saying you're beautiful. You can say "ты бомба", you're a bomb, or "ты просто огонь", you're simply fire. These are popular among younger generations in big cities like Moscow and St. Petersburg. These phrases use modern slang to convey admiration with a friendly edge. Using regional or slang expressions shows that you've gone the extra mile to understand and appreciate local culture. Plus, it adds an element of surprise and authenticity to your compliments, making them stand out even more. Using compliments in Russian can be both an art and science. Whether you choose the classic "ты красивая", "ты красивый", a poetic expression, a casual flirty phrase, or a unique regional or slang variation, the key is to be sincere and mindful of context. I hope you've learned something new with me today. So make sure to hit the like button if you found my video useful and subscribe not to miss a new easy Russian lesson. See you in the next lesson. See you in the next video. Пока-пока!